Ugqama uyakuthanda ukubukwa. Kanti kuhle nje ukubukwa ngezinto zakho eziqondene nawe, ungahambi futhi ukubukwa ngabantu. Ngafunda ukuhamba ukubukwa ngabantu. Lo ufuna ukuduma ngabantu, ufuna ukutrenda ngabantu. And this time utrende ngomuntu orongi mina. Tshela, amnanga ujwaye nje lapha. Mefuna nje ukuthi yonke into ithule, akathule. Ungakudaka umbuso ngokuphela. Ungakudaka umbuso ngokuphela. Kodwa kusasa konke ngifuna ukuyicacisa ngoba yini kwi broadcast ukhulumile ufake igama lami uHamathekula ukuthi konke ngifuna ukuyicacisa ngoba yena kahle kahle ufuna sicacise indaba esasizikhuluma naye nesasizikhuluma kephi ke ufuna manje kucaca ufuna amaqiniso vele. Okay, come to me baba, ungakudaka umbuso ngoba uyaphela. Ungakudaka umbuso, ungakudaka umbuso engathanda kahle ngathi you don't understand my assignment. Hey, ungakudaka umbuso. Nenza ninjani usamukela kanjalo uthi ungamdaka umbuso ngoba uyaphela. Hayi bangathi nezikepe ngamunga uyaphela ngoba uyaphela. Ungamdaka umbuso ngoba uyaphela kabuhlungu. Mina ngilindele ukuthi i-broadcast hlambe uyocacisa ukuthi kunamanga mina noma nginjani. Uyokhuluma ngabantu abangahlangani. Amathekula ahlangana-phi? Hayibo, hawu. Usezofuna ukwenza ngathi ukuthi mina emathayikhuleni kahle nje samkele. Musa nje ukuthi ngoba na ngizondo wena usufuna nabafana abamathayikhulu bangizonde. Ngeke kuze kwenzeke ngentando yakho. Never. Hey, lesi siphiwo mina wafika. Lesi siphiwo mina wafika nginaso vele. Manje senazi lesi manje senazi ususamele lesi siphiwo safika naye. Guys, I want to take a shower. Like I want to take shower. Yinje manje usakhulume ngegama lamathi mina. Do you know English? I want to take shower. Like this is you know nje umbuso ngesinye sembali. Yini umbuso nje lesingisi? Business. Business is finished. You're not stuck. Go. Business is finished. Business no trunk. Futhi bilade yikho nje ngazi ngathi noma sengidakiwe ngize ngithi wenja musunyatheli lokuza nayo. Yikho nje ngathi noma business hiwe ngazi nothini is finished. Uyambuza. Business. Khona ugahleka mina. Uhleka nje. Oh mama, kusiyami. Ngoba is finished. Uyageza amanzi njani ufuna ukugeza mina? Ngiyashisa. Ngokuthi ngathi nezigebe, phela ngathi nezigebe. Ngiyashisa ayikancane. Yena le tathi senza lapha lokudaka athi sikunanga lapha. Hayi ikona ukujuluyise kangaka. Kodwa ngeke ngikhohlwe lento usurophu kunyatheli. Oye urobhu wena. Usumgcobela sakhuna manje. Urobhu mfethu ugcwala isitiki. Urobhu ugcwala isitiki. Uqede yakho na. Udade wazophuma ngomnyango. Guys, bye-bye. I want to do something.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Umbaliza Madosha, she's fuming and she's spitting fire ngemva kokuthi i-ex-boyfriend yakhe uSamkelo Shiza aye ku-one of the podcast lapha ku-YouTube ayoqamba amanga ngaye owamqabanise nani bantu. Uthi le nto bekade ikhuluma laphana akusilo iqiniso. He was just lying and bekazama kwenda mbali ukuthi bantu labaningi bamzonde. Uthi just because isozondwa nguye it doesn't mean ukuthi bonke abantu bayamzonda. So she was really angry Mbali these days. It's like naloya ku podcast you prove like points naloya pro podcast you prove like points, and I honestly think they need to rest nkosi yami. They really need to rest. They don't owe us an explanation abangasichazeli, because vena nelekhani baqala kwende content yabo abazange bathi batositshela kithi ukuthi bona bende content, basitshela ukuthi they are dating, bako relationship bathandzana nyalo nalo ufuna khuluma liside lakhe le story nalo udreka lo nalo. Yo guys, it's really so said ukuthi nyalo lo udonsela lo nalo udonsela le nalo ufuna ukukhuluma la ngeqiniso nalo expose lona. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.